Good morning, my dear class 8 English mature students. Today our last topics basically in the chapter 5 we are also revised these topics. Here's the topics we also explained in the previous class. Here's the coordination. Yes, we have also completed the coordination now. Our last topics is the secretion. Today I have just also select the last topics. It's also the excretory system. Here's the excretory system, my dear students. I have just drawn the figure of the excretory system. Please everyone see this figure. First figure I have just drawn little bit structure. It's also the seed-based structure. The structure name is the kidney. And here's the kidney. First structure is the renal vein and second is the renal arteries. And there are two structures, the dorsal aorta and the two types. Basically, here's two structures, the dorsal aorta and a balloon-shaped structure. Here's the balloon-shaped structure. The another name is the urinary bladder. And the last structure is the urethra. Yes. It's also the main structure as the human skeleton. The human structure, the main structure is the excretory system, and the another name is this also the kidney and the excretory system, and also it's also reduce the nitrogenous based structure. Yes. It's also reduce the nitrogenous based structure. Here's the first structure is the ammonia. Second is the urea and third is the uric acid, and they have also reduced the 80% structure. Another structure we have also three function or the three structure. First is the lung, second is the skin, and third is the kidney. They are the three types structure. They have also formed the excretory substances. First is the lung. Here's also the lung, the carbon dioxide. Second is the skin. It's also produced and also the reduce the water, salt and the carbon dioxide. And the last structure is the kidney and also nitrogenous base. Again I also repeat, ammonia, urea and the uric acid. So we have also the idea about the excretory organ. Here's the excretory organ. What's the meaning of the excretory system? Now, through nose we take and the expel air. We sweat during excess heat. These are all excretory products. What is an excretory product? Excretory products are those substances which are harmful and unwanted for the body. It's also the very important topics, basically unwanted structure or unwanted of the body. It's also the harmful, and excretion is the process by which organism removes harmful unwanted waste products from the body. Water, carbon dioxide, urea, etc. are the waste products of metabolism of man, and the regular removal of these waste products are necessary because if they are accumulated, they would affect the metabolic activities. Moreover, basically these substances are also the toxic and very harmful for our body. Toxic and their retention in the body may cause extreme and again cause intoxication and even death of the organism. So it's also very dangerous. Again, these waste products are expelled from the body mainly through expelled air, sweat and the urine. Lung, skin and kidney are three main organs of excretion, and lung eliminates carbon dioxide and skin eliminates harmful salt substance from the body. The liquid nitrogenous waste products of the body are excreted through kidney. Again, waste products from the body are removed by kidney, skin and lung. 80% of the total nitrogenous excretory products are emitted as urine from the body. So, kidney is termed as the main excretory organ of the body. The system which performs the function of excretion is called excretory system. A small or the teeny amount of carbon dioxide is not endangered and also the injurious to health, but a large amount of carbon dioxide is toxic, which is injurious to body. Our body cell produces the gas as byproduct during respiration. Blood carries carbon dioxide from cells to lung. The exhale, the breathing air contains 4% carbon dioxide. It also contains water vapor and carbon dioxide. So the carbon dioxide is also the waste products, and they have also removed the 4% from our body, and it also helps us to the red blood cell. Second structure is the skin. The another part form is the sweat. Yes, sweat. The outer layer of human body is known as integument or skin. Skin bears numerous tiny pores. These are hair follicles. Sweat comes out through this hair follicle. Sweat contains water, salt, and a small amount of carbon dioxide. And again, also the skin, they have also reduced the small amount of carbon dioxide and the large amount of water, and also it also added the salt again. Besides, these are some harmful or useless substances in the sweat. Again, the urine. Main the structure of the excretory system. Urine. Kidney is termed as the factory of urine production. Here's the two kidney besides the two structure, and also it's also main organ. They lie at the back of the abdominal cavity, and the cavity one on each side of the vertebral column, just below the diaphragm. Here's also the diaphragm, and they have also the two types kidney. Kidney acts as filter. Please everyone underline. Kidney acts as filter during the breakdown of excess amino acids in the liver. Nitrogenous waste products like ammonia, urea, and uric acid are formed. These are harmful for the body. The kidney extracts this harmful substance from blood and excrete it from the body as part of a liquid called urine. Urine is a transparent, pale yellow colored aqueous fluid. Again, please everyone underline. The urine is a transparent, pale yellow colored aqueous fluid. Urine is retained in the urinary bladder for a particular period of time. Yes, this structure is the balloon-shaped structure, and another name is the urinary bladder. Again, during filling of the urinary bladder expands when sufficient pressure is mounted inside the bladder. A spontaneous nervous activity reflex is initiated so that the smooth muscles of the bladder will contract and the urethral sphincters are relaxed. As a result, the urine flows out from the bladder through the urethra. This structure, another structure is the urethra, and this structure is the urinary bladder. And from the kidney, the nitrogenous base structure, basically ammonia, urea, uric acid, they have also fill up the bladder, and the time after the time is also the urethra, and as a result the urine flows out from the bladder through the urethra. My dear students, it's also the last topic, basically excretory system. I have just draw the main structure of the excretory system, basically kidney structure, and I have just also finished this chapter today. In this chapter, again I also repeat, first structure is the coordination. Yes, the coordination, we also explain very important topics. It's also the neuron, the main structure of the nerve cells, and also the spinal cord, and the main structure of the structure of the excretory, not excretory system, basically the central nervous system. And the last topic is that today I have just also select the excretory system. Okay, goodbye. Thank you.